Hello everyone, my name is Alexander Stepanov. A lot of nail technicians from different countries, they just don't know how to use products for nails extensions they use. And they also want to try new products, which would allow them to make their work more effective. I mean to avoid liftings, to make nails stay on longer, without breakings and other problems. So I spent a lot of time to make this tutorial for you guys. I think every nail technician in any place in the world understands. More than 50% of duration of your work depends on the drill bit which you use for removing the product, and also on hardness of product you remove. For example, my friend, she used very hard glossy sculpting gel, and she used to remove this gel using low toothing drill bit. That low quality drill bit always heated the nail plate of her clients, and she always forced to change the area of gel removal. The process was very slow, and also sometimes she needed to turn off the electric file because the drill bit was very hot. So then I gave her my sculpting mix gel to try and the barrel drill bit. And after using my products, she was really impressed with the differences between them. And I know that thousands of nail technicians from all over the world have already tried these products, and they keep on ordering them because they have no analogs. Do you want to know why? Because Chinese drill bits are made from soft steel, which becomes blunted very fast, and simple sculpting gel are very hard, and it's very difficult to remove them. Now the correct diamond drill bit is all for nail technician. One my friend saved about $10. She ordered cheap Chinese diamond drill bits, and she has lost the half of clients because liftings were everywhere. Those low quality diamond drill bits, they had green line which shows that the hardness is medium, but in fact they were too soft to apply manicure works. And the remaining peridgia on nail plates of her clients caused lots of liftings. Her clients were unhappy and they started looking for another nail technician. So guys, you should choose the correct drill bits. I'm using, guys, professional files of 100 or low grid. I always send you some samples of these files if you order brushes to protect brushes from breakings. So you may try them and you will see that they are long-lasting enough. If you need more files, you can contact me on my email and I will send you the large packet with files, and it would be more profitable for you to order particular number of files with additional package. You always asked me to show you how to work with gel paints, which are packed in drop bottles. So here it is. You may see that I'm working with the flat brush. I just dropped some gel paint into the empty bottle, and it's very easy to put the brush into the pot of gel paint. So you may control how much gel paint you load on the tip of the brush. Well, actually I prefer applying the coat using flat brushes like number 6 or 7, because I like to draw wide strokes. I just need only 1 or 2 strokes to cover all the surface of the nail plate, and it makes my work very fast. I think using gel paint from the drop bottles, that's the great idea. And now let's talk about brushes that are used in my work. All of them you may order on shapeofnail.com. For example, if you need thin brush with the long hair, which is useful for drawing French manicure, or thin geometric long lines, it's better to use thin brush number 0 or 00. As the best detail brush, you may choose the brush of number 30 or 00. But I think you may train your hand on the brush 00 and draw any type of nail design using this brush. The best way to have all 3 types of brushes, which will help you not only drawing French manicure but thin, tiny and small details of flowers, cotton heroes or ornament. I hope guys you like this amazing nail design. If you have any questions about my products or technique, you may ask down in the comments. So guys, I'm continuing to improve your skills, and in the next video I will pay more attention on the nail design. See you in the next videos. Bye!